Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix DoorDash Crimson card not working. To fix a DoorDash Crimson card that's not working, confirm the correct card number, expiration date, and security code when entered in the Dasher app. Also, make sure that the app isn't asking you to pay with debit. Use the PIN 0000 if it is. You're using a physical card that's activated, and that the billing address in the app matches the bank's records. If the card's still not working, contact Dasher support at 1-855-973-1040. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Number 1. Check the Dasher app. Verify card prompts. Ensure the Dasher app is correctly prompting you to use the Crimson card to pay for the order. Payment type. If the app asks for a debit card, use the PIN 0000 to run it as a credit card, or it may be declined. Verify card details. Card number, expiration date, and security code. Double check that all these details are entered accurately. Billing zip code. Make sure the billing zip code on your DoorDash account matches your bank records. Number 3. Verify card status and address. Confirm that you have the correct physical Crimson card and that it is activated. Verify that your address information with DoorDash is up to date. Number 4. Contact Dash support. If you are still unable to resolve this issue, contact Dash support at 1-855-973-1040 for assist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.